Hello friends, welcome to lesson 3 where I will teach you on how you can master the habit of waking up at 5 am. Now, as you have understood why you need to have this habit installed, let's discuss on how you can achieve this. Here I'll be discussing on 5 important points to make this habit installation process simple and effective for you. Let's begin with the first how point, early to bed, early to rise. Do you remember this simple yet powerful line from your early days? Yes, many of us would have ignored this at that time. But in order to wake up early, you need to sleep early. This is a very key point to make this habit installation process effective for you. If you don't do this, you will not serve your body with the amount of quality sleep that it needs, which will finally decrease the productivity of your body and you will continuously feel grumpy throughout the day. The amount of sleep is totally different for everybody. It ranges anywhere from 7 to 9 hours. Figure out for yourself how much sleep you need and reverse engineer the time to whenever you want to go to your bed. It is advised to have a cool dark room 30 minutes before your bed. You should not use any device before 2 hours of your going to the sleep. You should not have any meals before 3 hours of your sleeping time. This will help you in going to sleep very easily at your planned time. Otherwise, you might need to struggle. Now, let's talk about the next how point is feel the achievement. To achieve this habit easily, you need to play a small game with your brain. Brain decide to do only those things that makes it feel good, and the feel good hormone is dopamine. When you achieve something, dopamine is released. Therefore, I will request you to bind this habit with some kind of achievement. Make 66 cells in your notebook and simply write a statement. Wake up at 5 am on each cell. The day when you are able to wake up at 5 am, mark the cell with a small tick and a smiley. This small practice will make your feel brain that it has achieved something. It will force you to do the same and again. Please do this as soon as you wake up. This will leave a physical mark on your brain that you have achieved something in the day at the starting of the day itself. You can have your notebook beside your bed so that you never forget doing it. Let's move quickly to how point that says stick for 66 days. Now this is a very magical number and I will tell you why. It has been proven in some research that minimum 66 days is required for your body to integrate a habit in itself, after which it reaches to an automaticity point. The 66 days is divided again into 22 days phase. The first 22 days is called as destruction phase. In this phase, you remove all your previous habit and you set a fertile soil for the new habit. The second phase is called as installation phase. In this phase, the new habit starts getting installed and in your mind and body. Third phase is called as integration phase. In this phase, you have gained such a command over this habit that it becomes simple for you to do it than not doing it. Therefore, I will request you to utilize all your willpower to just stick to this habit for 66 days and things will be sorted for you after that. Whenever you feel low or tired, always remember these lines that only 66 days you have to burn yourself. One point I would like to discuss a small line that will motivate you always. Remember this. Every change is hard at first. It is messy in the middle, but it is very gorgeous at the end. This is from one of my favorite authors, Robin Sharma. Let's jump to the fourth how point. Do it when you don't like it doing it. Your willpower is like a muscle. The more you stretch it, the stronger it grows. So, whenever you feel that you don't want to do something, that's the best time to do it, as it will strengthen your willpower and make it stronger than before. Whenever you do something that is different from your daily routine, amygdala, a part of the brain, starts generating excuses to not to do that thing. It is responsibility to make your willpower stronger and snatch away all the powers from amygdala. Remember, each time you snooze your alarm clock in the morning, you snatch the powers from your willpower and hand it to amygdala. Please never do that. Let's start with the how point. Power of public declaration. In this part, I would like to tell you that when you declare something in social group, you are more likely to achieve that because you generate a positive peer pressure. Share about your habit that you are going to start on your social media accounts, in your peer groups, and you can also share this with some of your friends, maybe three friends, and see the magic how clearly you start following this habit. Share this video with your friends and ask them whether they are also interested in practicing this habit with you. This way, you will get a good vibe of contributing something good into the society also. Moreover, you have implanted a seed of assured achievement for your new habit. So that's all that I wanted to talk about today. I hope that you will follow these rules to achieve the goal. Please take actions against these, since one small action is better than thousands of great thoughts. Thanks for joining me. You are really a great audience. I appreciate the self improvement work that you want to do on yourself. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.